Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get your LinkedIn URL. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. And once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you the way on how to get your URL in LinkedIn. So the first thing you need to do is go to your LinkedIn account and click on your photo on the upper left corner. And after that, you may click your name to view your profile. And once you're in your profile, you may click on the three dots on the right side and click on contact info. And in this page, you will see the URL for your LinkedIn profile together with your email. Now what you're going to do is to click on your URL link and do a long press. And after that, you will see different options to share your URL link. So you might try clicking on copy. Once you've copied it, you are now able to share these to others so that they can contact and reach you through LinkedIn. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.